Hello friends! Today we'll be sharing some Buddhist meditation techniques designed to bring comfort and healing to both our physical and emotional well-being, especially during challenging times of sickness. The meditation techniques shared here are not intended to replace medical treatment. However, they can help optimize our state of being, making our body and mind more receptive to the healing process. Modern medicine demonstrates that our immune system, a complex defense mechanism, guards our body against various intruders, including bacteria and viruses. However, like any machinery, it can malfunction, leading to various diseases such as autoimmune conditions like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Remarkably, the immune system also combats cancer by regulating the cell cycle, showcasing its multifaceted role in maintaining our overall health. Did you know that according to medical research, up to 90% of illnesses and diseases are estimated to be stress-related? Therefore, a healthy mind not only lowers our chances of falling ill, but also contributes to a better recovery. Stress not only disrupts our natural healing process, but can also lead us to irrational actions. It might tempt us to cease taking prescribed medications, harm ourselves, or lose hope. Stress could even drive us to experiment with unproven treatments. Stress often arises from unmet desires or dealing with unfavorable situations. In the context of health, we desire wellness and dislike being sick. To foster well-being, it's crucial to acknowledge that experiencing illness is a universal aspect of being human. Embracing the fact that sickness is a common part of the human experience can assist in maintaining composure when it occurs. This realization is pivotal for approaching sickness with a positive mindset, fostering resilience, and adopting healthy coping methods. The first meditation we are introducing here is a simple and brief contemplative exercise designed to acquaint ourselves with the idea that falling sick is inevitable, a natural occurrence. This contemplation can be practiced in the morning or before starting our meditation sessions. Alrighty, let's kick things off with this step-by-step contemplative meditation. The first step is to get prepared. Sit comfortably and bring your awareness to your physical body. Recollect the following verse. This body of mine, made of worldly materials, is transient and impermanent. Like all worldly things and living beings, it is prone to illness, degeneration, and death. The second step is contemplation. Reflect on how our body, with its organs and cells, relies on air, water, food, and temperature to sustain life. Acknowledge the continuous cycle of arising and passing within us, recognizing it as a natural process shared by all living beings. Understand that health and sickness are intrinsic parts of this natural occurrence. Direct your thoughts to the preciousness of life and health, emphasizing their transience. Take this awareness as a reminder to appreciate them and not take them for granted. The final step is to conclude this contemplation by understanding that it helps us mentally prepare for illnesses, as they are an integral part of existence. It is not meant to encourage worrying. Therefore, avoid generating a craving for sustained health and refrain from fostering fear or aversion of impending illness, as both can add unnecessary stress to the natural cycle of life and health. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like more content like this. May you be well and happy.